What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to change the notifications sound in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on sounds and vibration. Now in sounds and vibration, tap on notification sound, and then from this list of sounds you can tap on any sound to set it as the notification sound. So just simply tap on a sound name and then that sound will be selected. So that's how you can change the notification sound in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.